Hi guys, I work out first thing in the morning, empty stomach, fasted. At least 12 hours, 16 hours. After ng workout ko, immediately magka-cardio ako. Backwards walking, 10 minutes. Forwards walking, naka-incline lahat yan, 10 minutes. Bike 10 minutes, step for 10 minutes, total of 40 minutes. So na-maintain ko yung 12% body fat. Kahit na kumakain ako ano-ano. Yan yung pinasok ko na sa lifestyle ko. So kung may trabaho ako, may lakad, may meeting, may show, may family event or anything like that, inisip tayo ng mas maaga, 2 hours before, para may workout, mas pwede nang maligo at mag-freshen up. So yun lang, ipasok natin sa schedule natin lagi. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys. So, fasted state, nakaano tayo? Na coffee lang or green tea. Ngayon, kung may budget tayo, ito papasok to. Itong Kill. Mutant Philippines, available sa Supplement Kingdom for Virgilio Arabiata. Tsaka L-carnitine. Tapos ito, electrolytes na to, EAAs, kompleto. Para ano